Yeah. Bitches wanna see me stop and stare. Yeah.
And a chauffeur driver.
It's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot, girl. It's a photo shoot, girl. I like this. Photo shoot, girl. Yeah, photo shoot. Yeah. Bitches wanna see me stop and stare. It's a photo shoot. 200 horsepower, nigga. That's what that motor do. Had to let my cousin be the niggas that be close to you. When I bring this pistol out, I shoot. When I know it's you.
Hey, shooting like a picture with that Glock. I'm tryna snap a nigga. I just hit the track to beat the pop. My wrist Mike Jackson. Yeah, I know these niggas be fake as fuck. They ass so action. We just spent the block and caught a couple ops. That's target practice, nigga.
Hood baby in his bitch, just turn the flash on. I'm a flashy nigga, took his bitch, then she got smashed on. Wreck and roll for your block, get stomped on, I stepped on. I'ma up this motherfucking chopper to your Teflon.
You with the odds, them boys get stepped on. You keep holding on them niggas' dick like they gon' step for. He say he gon' do what to me, boy, I'm not to be slept on. I got real shooters, I call a hit and they gon' step for me.
I know how to really move the bro, he know how to really shoot. Yeah, I really love the scam, what you really love to do. I'ma drop the top off this phone, panoramic roof. We got hella guns like the Navy, strapped up like the truth. I was playing with them rags, disappear, I just made it poof. He gon' tell that bitch turn on my song, that's what a hater do.
Hey, Gully shoot that Glock from the 3 and go get close to you, bitch. I just turned the half into a brick, that's what that soda do. You plotting on your nigga cause you broke and he make more than you, nigga. I was on the block serving that shit, I ain't even go to school.
I just slammed my side bitch, got her brother, what he supposed to do? Turn this little bitch to a freak, that what you supposed to do? Hey, I be spitting game to lil' bro, yeah, I be coaching dude. Niggas ain't no real shooter, they out here playing hoops. Niggas out this bitch playing hoops. Nigga, we be slide out your block like stay truce. We be ceilings out, you ceiling booth.